So I've always had this question. Yes, I've always had this question. Why would anyone want to watch someone else unbox their gift, their toy, and most of all, their new iPhone? Why do you want to watch us open it? But obviously you do. So it's Christmas morning and I have the latest iPhone. iPhone 12 in blue, 128 gig. So if you have nothing to do and you're not opening your own gifts, you can watch me open my new iPhone. So, comes in a smaller box. Everybody has told you that. So what? Let's just get it open. It's wrapped in plastic. Hey, I bought a knife, but I don't need the knife. I thought I did. This is my iPhone. Watch, I'm unboxing it. Wow. That's what you're supposed to say. Wow. Look how beautiful the blue is. That is a nice blue. Wow. Yeah, that is nice. So, we got the blue one. It has this little pen thing in it so you can get the SIM card out. And I was told by my carrier that just swap out the SIM card from my old iPhone, which is a 7, which is what I'm recording on now. Swap out the SIM card with this little pen device, as if I didn't have a stapler in the house. Not a stapler, but a gym clip. But so this is my blue, and here it is. Again, why are you interested in watching this? I don't know, but wow, it is nice though. Haven't had a new phone since the iPhone 7, so let's see if I press this button on the side, the power comes on. Is this it? Hey, we have liftoff. Now, we're already into 2 minutes and 40 seconds, but you don't want to watch me set it up, do you? Well, this was the unboxing of my new iPhone. It's unboxed, and I'm going to enjoy it for probably another 4 years, which is how long I kept my last iPhone. 4 years, because they're too expensive to buy every year, and they don't change that much. So thank you for watching the unboxing of my new iPhone 12, 128 gig. Now I'll set it up and I'll enjoy it, and maybe I'll show you a video. Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Oh, by the way, it comes with a, what is this, USB-C. All right, so everybody has that, and go ahead and buy a USB-C brick, you know, the wall plug, before you get this phone, if you get it, because it doesn't fit with the regular USBs. So, all right. Hey, thanks for watching me unbox my new iPhone. I hope you get one really soon. Take care. Have a great 2021 when it arrives, and Feliz Navidad.